Hurry up, Sonny. My battery's about to die.
Here's also going to fall.
Okay.
She can have it.
Do that one, bro.
It's set up. The strap's going outside.
Look, girls. Going off and away, huh? You gotta help your daddy paddle. Why don't you, daddy?
I gotta help my daddy paddle.
Yeah. Hold on, wait.
That was the one you were before.
Oh, okay. This is the
Ooh, it's dirty.
A little wet.
That's okay.
Sonny, can you get on that side?
Huh?
Oh, it don't matter.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Get in the middle.
Heavier once you get out this side. All right. Once you remember. So right there, I move. Heavy once you get out this side. Help him.
His legs are too short to paddle. Lift your feet up, Zai.
Ready? Okay. Got this boat for 20 minutes.
Y'all can stand right here. Zakira, come right here, baby. Stand beside Sissy. Scoot back. There you go.
That's the one we have.
Sorry about that.
Shanique, the thing that steers in the middle, underneath her legs. You got my other camera, honey?
Yeah.
Hold my hand, Zakir, and we'll walk this way and we can follow him. Come on, Kaya. You see your brother? Holler at him.
Hey, Dad.
Is it working when you steer it? See, it wasn't working for us.
I know. You've been at 3 or 4.
All right. Hi, Naya.
Hi, night. I'm going to take a picture right now.